The Synology RS3614xs Plus memory slots are located between the power supply unit and the heatsink that houses the Intel CPU. Factory default memory comes installed with 8 GB in the configuration of 2 by 4 GB modules. Memory can only be installed in pairs, and if you retain the current configuration, you'll be able to upgrade to a maximum of 24 GB by installing 2 by 8 GB modules. Otherwise, you may remove the current modules and upgrade to 32 GB by installing 4 by 8 GB. All memory modules are ECC based, and we strongly recommend you use memory provided by Synology only to ensure compatibility and ensuing current warranty.